Once again, we've had a brilliant term in Purple Mash. Firstly, our biggest news is that someone we all know and love has a new sibling. Yes, that's right. Cody has a brand new sibling called Chip. You thought I was going to say Peppa Pig, didn't you? Chip is already making themselves at home in Minimash, so if you haven't spotted them yet, I highly recommend going on a little Chip hunt. And we hosted our first ever online live lessons with over 700 pupils signed up from 20 schools. In our first 2 lessons, children created some amazing season animations using the tool to animate and some hilarious and creative poetry podcasts using the tool to cast. These live lessons are a great opportunity for your class to learn along with our expert teachers. Why not get in touch with us and let us know what live lessons you'd like to see for your class in 2026. The Purple Mash computing scheme has been refreshed and refined in response to teacher feedback, curriculum developments, emerging digital trends and new software. Some of the units have been reorganised and adjusted to better fit your school's needs, and online safety is now delivered over the course of the year using the To Be Safe resources. Unit overviews and lesson resources are available in tab format, and teachers can now browse and use the lesson slideshows within Purple Mash without the need to download them. Whether you're a computing lead or classroom teacher, the refreshed and refined computing scheme offers everything you need to plan, teach and assess computing lessons with confidence. Check out the new Grammar for Writing scheme of work, a comprehensive program of resources for years 1 to 6, which includes slideshows, grammar games and printable worksheets. These grammar resources are a fun, engaging and interactive way for children to learn the statutory grammar, vocabulary and punctuation terminology for their year level. The interactive games and quizzes can be completed either in school or at home and can also assist teachers in assessing children's grammar and punctuation knowledge. We have some fantastic new resources to develop your children's oracy skills in the classroom. These videos, activities, talk prompts and podcasting ideas are designed to develop children's ability to articulate their ideas, listen actively and engage in effective spoken communication.
Oracy is all about learning to speak effectively. It's about being able to communicate well so that the people we're speaking to understand what we're saying to them.
But wait, there's more. The tools To Question and To Investigate both had an update. The new version of To Question makes creating branching databases simpler, more engaging and accessible for children of all ages. Children can create their own binary trees or sort the pre-made examples by creating and organising their own questions. To Investigate is now an even more powerful database tool, which enables users to select from 3 modes: card mode, which is best for children who are new to databases, table and advanced table modes, or choose one of the pre-made example databases. Users can view their data by switching between card, table and graph views and easily sort, filter and group the data. You can also now import your own data as a CSV file to explore and interrogate. Look out for lots more happening in Purple Mash.